You nervous?
Yeah.
What are you nervous about?
Only person that touches my hair is my mom, my girlfriend. So I don't know. It's just like new for me.
How's that go?
Cool. I mean, my mom struggled with it a lot when I was younger, just like because it was so long. Like I used to have my hair up to like my hips. It used to hang like looser. But then, I mean, I got into like middle school, high school, I used to straighten it hella and then like cut it. I had like an undercut vibe for a while. So then it's developed into like this fro through time. So yeah.
Well, I love it. I mean, you have a lot of hair.
It's a lot of hair.
And then so a lot of hair, a lot of natural texture.
Yeah.
And a lot of length. It's just a lot of work.
Yeah,
period.
it was.
I kind of this stupid joke that I always say is with great curl comes great responsibility. That would be a lot of work for anybody. I mean, last time they got to cut it for you?
I have no idea. I think maybe a couple years or I don't know.
Okay, so it goes some time.
Yeah, I just let it do what it's supposed to do.
Gotcha. Do you run? What makes you be like, I need you to cut my hair?
Honestly, I can't really tell. Like, I feel like I had to learn a lot of trial and error, especially like growing up and like maturing. That usually someone will tell me like if I get my hair braided, for example, like my girl that does it, she'll be like, oh, you definitely need like a trim or the edges, or can I snip a little bit?
She's just feeling the ends or something.
Yeah, she's just seeing it with the braids, and I'm like, all right, go for it. Like, no worries. Like,
you're just super chill. Not all that worried about it.
No.
Well, I gotta say, it looks really good right now. You don't have any product in this. Do you typically wear your hair out and down?
Yeah, I mean, if I'm like working and busy, I'll have it in like a ponytail, but like a loose one, like I'll just get like a rubber band and kind of, and just kind of like keep it back, or like a headband. But for the most part, if it's looking good or like curly and not too crazy, I'll have it just out.
Good. Yeah. Well, I love it. Yeah. Do you usually throw down like some product in there?
Yeah, like Miss Jessie's, or I started using Fenty.
Yep.
That was like a new one. I don't know. That's basically it.
How different does that look? I mean, this is our first time together. How different does it look when you go through it with the product versus no product? I mean, this is our first time together. How different does it look when you go through it with the product versus no product?
It's definitely like more circular. Like now it's like kind of has like weird like spikies.
Well, I'm going to check that out. We're going to kind of like shake and kind of like see if like everything's actually like sitting. Just because it's been that long since you cut it, if nothing else, I just want to make sure you got some cohesiveness in the shape.
I mean, I'm down for you to do whatever. I'm really excited. I'm like open to it.
As far as the definition goes, when you're styling it, are you usually looking for more than what you have now? Or do you get more than what you have now?
Yeah, definitely with my curls. Like right now it's just like kind of dry, so I'll use like different oils, like I don't know, like jojoba, or certain oils actually just like stay on top of my hair. And I'll notice that like when I wash it, it's like kind of hard to get it off. So I like try not to oil it because I'm pretty oily and sweaty already. So
well, we just are. We produce tons of oil on our hands and out of our scalp too. Are you running into anything that you're like, I hope that this would be better after I leave here today?
That's a good question.
Do you run into any, like, is detangling like a crazy thing for you? Like Luce was telling me that that's what she runs into. She was saying like her hair will dread up on her.
It does.
Like that, like right when she detangles. So we got into that.
Yeah.
Do you run into anything like that, or you have a pretty typical time just detangling on your wash days?
I have a fine time because my hair is very temperamental. So like sometimes I feel like it's going off my mood or like the week I've had or the day I'm having.
Sounds like
it definitely like switches up so consistently. I would say like it just gets frustrating when I like, let's say like if I do it one day and then like 2-3 days it's like kind of like back to just like being kind of not matty but
just not as curly. Not as you lose the definition, you lose the style. Okay. That's a good one.
Yeah.
But honestly, I feel like that is going to have way more to do with how and what you style it with.
Okay.
And how good and also how good you are protecting it while you sleep and all that kind of stuff. So we'll get into that in the bullet. But as far as the cut goes, are you trying to go shorter? Are you trying to grow your hair out? Like, what goals do you got? I want to get you wherever you're trying to go. There's so many places to blame, but you know, just the lack of education around curls in general in cosmetology school. But then obviously the tighter the coil and the more hair that somebody has, like they're so used to getting this wet, having it be stick straight,
Yep.
doing the little point cutting,
Yep.
and then blowing it out.
Yeah.
So this is just so foreign to so
Yeah.
many stylists that I'm hoping at least want to have a better understanding of it. And we're definitely working on that. We got a lot of classes coming out. Just between us, I mean, I find that your hair, the tighter the coil and the more dense, it's kind of like, oh, cool. Because I love your hair as it grows out of your head.
Thank you.
To me, you don't even need product. Like, this is dope. It's going to be awesome with product too,
Yeah.
but let's go.
Yeah, it doesn't
You look
say.
great. I'll take credit for it right now.
Thank you.
But my point is, I think people overcomplicate it. But your hair like stands up where it likes to stand. The coils form where they want to form. It's kind of like, okay, if we were trying to make this side match up to this side, do we just kind of like bring this in a little bit? I feel like people just are so hung up on you need to do so much all the time in every cut. And it's like, these curls look great. If there isn't a problem, don't create one and be like, oh, I just have to do the most. That's me, and that's how I do it. So, but as far as the cut goes,
Okay.
Are you trying to go shorter? Are you trying to grow your hair out? Like, what goals do you got?
Okay, yeah.
I want to get you wherever you're trying to go.
I'm definitely trying to grow it out
Okay.
because I do miss having long hair. Like I said, like it used to be so long and like this thick, but like long, like falling. Like I don't even know. So I kind of want to like see that happen, and I just like when it's just like super huge and
I love it.
fro-y and stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, just having it healthy would make me happy for sure.
I am not coming into anything that we've talked about, anything that I feel. You don't have unhealthy hair. And I know, trims are definitely like a thing, and I know it can be terrifying to everybody. I know Luke's saying it's like, it's nerve-wracking to go get a trim because you're usually not too much off, especially if your goal is like, let me get longer. So that's all I'm gonna do.
Okay.
If I need to that shape's a little funny over here, like we'll figure that out. Like right now, I'm gonna just flip you over and shake you out a little bit, and I'm gonna see if it winds up going, okay, cool, there she is.
Yeah.
But we'll figure all that out.
Yeah,
but
I think I have more hair on one side than the other.
it's looking like it at the moment, but I'm not gonna hold fast to that just yet. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. But as far as the cut goes, I'm not be like, hey, I need to fix a lot of stuff.
Okay.
I'm not seeing that.
Okay, cool.
When we do the wash and style, it's gonna drop. It's gonna be chill, but then I like it how you were saying you like it. You like it big.
Big fro,
so the idea is like we're gonna get there. So don't trip at first.
Okay.
We're gonna aim for that definition at first, and it's gonna be like you'll be elongated.
Okay.
But it won't be as fun.
Okay.
But then
cool.
we're gonna like
Sweet, yeah,
we're gonna play with that.
Okay, yeah.
I heard you guys are going out tonight too.
Yeah.
So we got to make sure that that's like doing it right.
Fresh,
yeah. So, but as far as the scissors go,
okay,
less is more.
Okay.
I will let you know if I find something like, hey, we should probably, but I do not see that happen.
All right, cool.
So we're just gonna do a little dust, make sure that the shape is there. Once we get you washed out too, if Tamara or Jess wind up seeing anything, I'll kind of sneak those off. But if you're trying to grow it out, let's get you grown out.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'm not shy about the cutting. I mean, I'm so hairy, it's gonna grow back. I do your thing. Yeah, do your thing.
Awesome. I like what you like though.
Okay.
I'm not even mad at what I'm looking at. So let me play around with it. I'm gonna do one trick real quick. Cool. The back of that chair.
All right.
And I'm just gonna have you toss your hair over for me. Perfect. Give me a good little head shake right there. Perfect. Hold that for me. Yeah. So you're right.
Yeah.
There's definitely both seeing that, right? Like this side has got less going on than this side here. Question is do we care that much?
Right.
To kind of
even her out.
Match it? I don't feel like a big density difference.
Okay.
But I definitely see the length difference. Yeah. Full transparency, what I was saying, if I had to pick a favorite side, I'm going with this one. Because I like the shape that this is hitting.
Okay.
I can clean up a couple little corners here, whatever. So what I would do is not intentionally, I would not roll this back to appear the same as this side.
Cool.
So we just got to know that going into it.
Yeah.
What we'll do is we'll probably cool, we'll leave this here while this comes in. And by the next time I see you, maybe this will be when we could bring this back to where it is now.
Okay.
And this will be more symmetrical to the other side. I don't need to be exact, but I like the idea of it getting a little bit, this just needs a little bit more length to meet out here. That's all.
Down. Yeah.
Cool. So just know, there's going to be a little bit of imbalance there that we're leaving on purpose. We're just growing that out.
Cool.
If I gotta sneak anything, I'll be like,
Okay.
feel good?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Look at them shakes, made up a dance. How come you shook? And I ain't took out my hands. Beans, star, bucks, star, struck. Bitch coming soon. That's cause you suck.